welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sarah and this is My Blessed Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make crispy tacos. I'm also going to give you a little tortilla tip or hack that you can fry your tortillas up. You want to know how to make this delicious recipe? Just stay with me and let's get started. Let's go ahead and get started on our ingredients. I'm going to use 2 pounds of ground beef, 1/4 of an onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of comino, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, that's optional, and 1 heaping tablespoon of chicken bouillon. Okay, you're also gonna need, of course, your tortillas for frying and some oil. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we're just gonna break this up a little bit. Okay, go ahead and add your onion, your spices. And then we're just gonna go ahead and mix it all together. No cry, Jojo. Jojo, don't be baby, Jojo. Just go ahead and mix it all together. You don't wanna overmix your protein, okay? Because you don't want it to get rough. Ground beef does get rough too, okay? All right, so that's about all we need. We're gonna go ahead and have your skillet getting hot, and I'll take it to the stove in just a little bit. All right, in our hot pan, go ahead and add your meat in. Go ahead and mix everything around. Make sure that it's all even and flat, okay? I'm gonna have it on a number 7. We're gonna leave it there for about 3 minutes and then we're gonna flip it over, okay? See you back in a little bit. No. All right, it's been about 3 minutes, so we're just gonna go ahead and come over and just turn this over. It smells delicious already. All right, so we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna go ahead and even it out, and we'll leave it here for another 3 minutes, and I'll be right back with you. All right, it's been 3 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Flip it over. That's why I like to put the spices in first. All this time, it's just soaking up all that spice instead of coming in and draining and then putting the spice in. It just takes it much longer, to me. That's just my opinion. They're just my opinion. Okay, now that this is almost done, I'm gonna put this back here for sake of the video, and what we're gonna do is have it on simmer. Go ahead and cover it for about 20-25 minutes. So we'll go ahead and put the timer on, okay? And we can start our tortillas over here. Gonna let your pan start getting hot. Okay, so we're gonna use about a cup of oil. Now that we're waiting on our oil to get hot, you can get a plate with some paper towels on it, so when your tortillas are ready, you'll have a place to put them over, okay? All right, so we're gonna check with a wooden spoon to see if our oil is ready, and it is bubbling around the spoon, okay? So we know we're ready to go. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put your tortilla in. It's not gonna be all the way hard yet. I'm gonna show you what I do with the first one, okay? The first one, I'm not gonna make it the traditional way. I'm gonna make a little shell, like a little, I forgot what you call it. I'm making like a little model one, okay? And I'm gonna show you what I do from here. Okay, so after I do this, I just put the model in here and just flip them over. Okay. And then I just pull it out. Put this guy away. I just use this one as a mold. Like whatever I'm using, then I stick the next one in. Okay, I put the mold and I put the other one on top. So you can just keep them open and you're not gonna have to worry too much on it closing. That's the way I like to do mine. If you like to do yours the traditional way of just putting it in there and just flipping it over, but I always have, you know, the issue of it wrapping around. So I just like to do it this way. See, I always have issues with that. So that's what I do, and it works for me. And see, this one's already, See, that's why I don't like to do them like that. I won't waste it. I can give this to my puppy. Okay, turn him over. And I can take him out, and he's already formed, okay? So I'm just gonna let the insides get cooked. Okay, start the next one. I'll put the little model in, and I'll flip them over. And then you can start another one. Let me get some more tortillas. So I'll put this one in, put the model here. Just hold him down for a second. Flip this guy over. Okay. So you're ready to take this guy and the middle out. Take your little model out. And he's already to the point where he's not going to stick on the other side. Okay. You can open this guy, take your model out. Start the next one. It's only to keep him open. That's why I'm using the model in between. You don't have to watch him so closely, and I don't have to put my meat in here and let it swim in this oil to have like super crispy tacos, okay? And on this side, go ahead and take your model out. See how he's already open? He's not gonna close on you. Just gonna wait till the inside just gets a little crispier, and we're there. Go ahead and turn it off. And that's it. Okay, so go ahead and pull these to the side. And look how these came out, nice and crispy. Let's check the meat. Look at this. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Let's give it a quick taste. That's really good, okay? Go ahead and cover this up. We'll start prepping the tacos. All right, see our tacos. Let's go ahead and fill it. Put your ground beef. Cheese, some lettuce, tomatoes, some onion, sour cream if you want, and some salsa. All right, second taco. Do some lettuce, onion, cheese, sour cream if you want, and some salsa. And now for the best part, the taste test. I'm gonna put some salsita on here, and I'll link the recipe down below. Perfect. Mmm, yummy, yummy. Mmm, 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 mmm. Yeah, yeah. Tacos are my all-time favorite. You cannot go wrong. And I just love not having to fret over tortilla shells so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it in any way, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, from my blessed kitchen to yours.
Con tus labios rosados, yo me muero por una prueba de placer. Siempre que estoy a tu lado, lo que siento, nadie más lo podrá saber.